Turbocharger maintenance tips. The power generated by the engine depends on the amount of air intakes, and a turbocharger is used to boost the incoming air. Hence, the turbocharger considerably increases the engine power. The turbocharger has several advantages, such as increased fuel efficiency, increased engine power, reduced emissions. With all these important benefits, and in order to ensure the overall performance of the vehicle, it is important to keep a close watch on the turbocharger. Always keep the following points in mind. Insufficient supply of air into the engine can harm the turbocharger and reduce the service life. Check for the air filter restriction warning lamp in the instrument cluster. If it is on, immediately visit the workshop and replace the air filter. Do not press the accelerator immediately after starting the engine. It is important to lubricate the turbocharger before accelerating the vehicle, because dry run will damage the turbocharger. Keep the engine in idle condition for 3 minutes after starting and before switching off the engine for proper lubrication of the turbocharger. Fix any leakage in the hoses immediately, as dust entry will damage the turbocharger. Following points to check for leakages. Check hose clamp from air filter to turbocharger. Check hose clamps from intercooler to intake manifold. Check collapsed, restricted, or damaged hoses that connect air filter to the turbocharger. Lubrication of the engine at all the time. While changing the engine oil, fill it with Aisher genuine oil for better turbo and engine life. Low oil pressure also leads to turbo failure. Always check for oil pressure indications in the cluster. If the oil pressure lamp is on, immediately visit an authorized service center. Happy driving!